Okay, today we're going to do an easy mod. I picked up these and the dip pedal that goes with it. These are not the ones that you actually have to drill and screw into your pedal. These are the ones that actually will sit on, like the brake pedal one here. It sits on the metal pedal that's already there. You just need to pull your plastic or rubber pad off of it. This one is actually stuck with the 3M tape, so we'll see how durable that one is. And this one, I believe, just clips on and hugs the gas pedal. So we're gonna get to working on these, and I'll see you out in the garage. First thing you want to do is give it a good sweep. I gave this one a sweep already. I got most of the junk out, and it looks fairly clean. I'm gonna clean off the part over here that's gonna have the 3M tape on it. I'm gonna be using some generic nail polish remover. Not my nail polish remover. I happen to have a preteen girl, thank God. So I'm just gonna give this a little rub down with nail polish remover and a microfiber cloth. Hopefully that'll get off any wax, dirt, or anything else that could hinder the adhesion. So, got that wiped up. While that's drying and I'm getting high from the fumes, I'm going to start working on the brake pedal. Now it's going to be, it looks like the hardest part because you've got to get this rubber cover off. I've got a camera set up also behind it so we can see what it looks like when I'm pulling it off from behind. I don't think it's going to be hard to get it off. As you see, it comes right off. The hard part might be getting it back on, or the new one. So that's off. Set that aside. This has got the same kind of grooves that you want to set the pedal into. So try to get it seated on the top first, and then I'm pulling with my fingers to get it all the way around. So I've got most of it. What I might want to do is actually get a small screwdriver to see if I can get the other side, or should I get the side first? Let's try this. So I'm going to put the top on and then try to loop the sides around. It feels like it's going on pretty good. Actually, that looks pretty solid. Alright, easier than I thought. Let's move on to the gas pedal. This looks like it simply wraps around the existing gas pedal and just kind of clips in place as well. So let's that was very easy. Okay, 2 out of 3. Now this is going to just slide right here, and we're going to put it on with the 3M tape. So we'll peel this off. Feels nice and clean. Peeled off the backing of the tape. I'm going to try to get it lined up as best I can before I apply any pressure. Got it where I think I want it. I'm just going to put pressure on it, hold for a little bit. I think this should be it. That's what it looks like. Easy mod. What I'll do is I will drive the car around a little bit, which I was going to anyway, and make sure they hold up nicely. So I installed these earlier. I had them on the car all day, drove around. Everything's solid, everything's feeling pretty good. So I'm going to keep them on. I like them. They went on very easy. I've seen in the forums, I've seen not horror stories, but just people struggling with actually getting the ones on that you have to drill through the pedals. These are not permanent. If I wanted to take them off, put the old ones back on, or the old one, the other ones are just covers. It's easy enough to reverse, and they went on and they feel pretty solid. Like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram at MessyGarage BMW, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye.